Another fantastic new tool that Seesaw has is called Read With Me, where you can paste in text, record yourself reading it, and the words will highlight as it reads it aloud to your students. So I'm going to show you real quickly how to do it. I just created a background in Canva, brought it in. I'm going to click on the check, go to Read With Me. I already have my text copied that I want to do. I'm going to click here. The Fox and the Frogs. The fox went to the pond to hunt frogs. As the fox ran to the pond, the frogs hit a log. The frogs see the fox, but the fox cannot see the frogs. Now I'm going to click on Add, and AI synchronizes your text to your voice. All right, it's pasted it in for me. I can change the size, the style in any way that I want to. And when I press on the little play button, you'll see what it does. The Fox and the Frogs. The fox went to the pond to hunt frogs. As the fox ran to the pond, great to use when you're giving kids challenging text to read or to practice decodables. Easy to do.